Hello, welcome to the Biotopes. Today we've got a special guest, my 7-year-old daughter, Ada. Ada, say hello.
Hi.
And we are in her bedroom, and she's got a fish tank, and she's going to tell us what's in there and tell us a little bit about it. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, so here is Ada's tank. Ada, why don't you tell us a little bit about what's in this tank?
So this is a betta right here. This is a girl guppy, and I feed them these kind of foods.
Yep.
And the girl guppies had at least almost 50 babies.
There's a lot of babies in there for sure. And the food we have is what we got the betta. I guess they're like little soldier fly larvae kind of flake food there, little things, and the tetramin betta flakes. Good. And tell me about the decorations you have in this tank.
Well, SpongeBob's, like some shells and all the little houses kind of they have, and plants and sticks, so a lot of that.
Yeah, we got some Java fern. That's the plant, and that's just floating. There's a little Valsinaria in the back that's doing okay. We just got a little strip LED light and a heater and a little sponge filter in there and just some gravel. And yeah, so you just decorated this tank kind of on your own, huh?
Yep.
And it's doing great. And look at that beautiful betta. He's real pretty. And this female guppy, she's had a bunch of babies, although there's not been a male in there in a long time. But she keeps having little babies. You can see them kind of all over the tank there, huh? Anything else with this tank you want to tell us about?
Well, it's like a lot of shells in here, and the fish, they mostly do good, but they sometimes, well, let me fix this. There used to be a frog.
Okay.
But the frog we have not seen in a while.
Yep, the dwarf frog. Yeah, he was doing well. We haven't seen him in a while. Who knows? There is a nearite snail in there too. That red snail. Not sure where he's at. Don't see him anywhere. Sometimes he's at the top of the tank. Sometimes he's on the wood. But he's hiding somewhere. What else you have?
Well, in there, if you can see, I have like almost a little decoration in there.
A little decoration turtle. Awesome. Very cool. Anything else?
I don't think so.
How often do you feed this tank?
Well, usually I feed it when I get up in the morning, and I sometimes feed it after school.
Oh, cool. And then I help you with the water changes once in a while, right?
Yep.
But yeah, you feed it all on your own, and you decorate it on your own. I just gave you the plants and help you set that stuff up. And this tank's been going, gosh, how long do you think we've had this tank up?
At least around 2021.
So a few years, you think?
Yeah.
It's been going a while. And right next to it, she's got her own resurrection jar. We've got to add some water to it. Tell us about this jar here.
So we haven't seen a lot of things in here. But sometimes there's little snails or frogs. No, not frogs, but little kind of like worms. Stuff. So.
And what'd you do to get that jar? What'd you do?
Down our road we have a little stream. So we went down there and got some water, and then we saw the stuff in it.
Yeah, had sticks in there and leaves from the stream, right?
Yep.
And yeah, you got little life in there, and it's been pretty cool to watch. So Awesome. Well, beautiful tank, Ada. All right, so that's Ada's tank in her bedroom, a little 5-gallon tank, and it's been going well. Anything else, Ada?
No.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon.